Ayodhya Ram Mandir gears up for Ram Darbars 3-day-long Pran Pratishtha ceremony. Ayodhya Ram Mandir is gearing up for the Pran Pratishtha ceremony of idols in Ram Darbar on June 3. According to General Secretary of Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Temple, Shampat Rai, the holy rituals will begin at 6:30 am on Tuesday and conclude on Thursday, which also marks the day of Ganga Dasra. Speaking to Ani, Shampat Rai said Ram Janmabhoomi Temple's construction is nearing completion. The construction of Ram Janmabhoomi Temple is nearing completion. The rituals for Pran Pratishtha will start at 6:30 am on June 3 and conclude on June 5, the day of Ganga Dasra, said Rai. Watch Ayodhya, up preparations for June 3 Pran Pratishtha of Ram Darbar at Ayodhya's Ram Temple are underway. General Secretary of Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Temple, Shampat Rai, says, the construction of Ram Janmabhoomi Temple is nearing completion. The rituals for pranpic.twitter.com v7tq5fldj Ani June 2, 2025 Nanan. The idols in Ram Darbar have been sculpted by Satyanarayan, who told Ani that the Ram Darbar is of 4.5 feet and all the other sculptures are built according to that. The sculptor told that the Ram Darbar features several idols, including that of Lord Ram, Goddess Sita, Lord Sun, Goddess Durga, and Lord Hanuman. The Ram Darbar is of 4.5 feet. All the other sculptures are built according to that. It has idols of Lord Ram, Goddess Sitath Sun God, Goddess Durga, Lord Hanuman, he said. Earlier, the chairman of the construction committee of Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra, N. Ripendra Mishra, told that the idols of Ram Darbar had reached the temple on May 23. Sharing details about the temple, Mishra said Sapt Mandir's construction work is over and 90% of the Parkata work will be completed by June-July. From June 3, prayers of all the idols will begin. The construction of the temple is moving towards its completion. Sapt Mandir is completed. 90% of the Parkata work will be completed by June-July. The Parkata work will be completed by September, he said. Swipe left for next video. The chairman added that they are expecting that the entire construction of the temple gets completed by year-end. He added that the construction of the exhibition and auditorium has begun recently and this project is likely to get over by March 26. He further said that devotees will be allowed to visit every part of the temple within next 2 months. We are hopeful that the entire construction of the temple will be completed by the end of this year. The construction of the exhibition and auditorium has begun recently. They will be completed by March 2026. Regarding the temple, devotees will be allowed to go to all parts of it within the next 2 months, he further added. Latest blogs